So you want to have your hair back like this. You want it to stay back. You want to have that sleek kind of look around the ear, but this keeps happening on this side right here. It just keeps falling down and you don't know what to do or how to style it. So first of all, it comes down to having the right hair length and also the right hair product, which I'm going to be going over today. So when it comes to the hair length, anything that kind of comes halfway down the ear like this, or to the bottom of the ear, or the longer the better, is going to work the best, because you can take all that hair and simply just tuck it behind the ear like so, okay? It is kind of a technique, and if you've never taken your fingers and went like this, it's almost like you're taking your hair and you're forming a circle, or like a half circle around your ear like this. You can use, I use like my fingertips like so, and just push up on the hair. So I'm pushing in this way and then coming around. So it's almost like pushing in and then coming around this way. That's, first of all, the technique, okay? Because you need the actual technique down in order to get this. And then the more you really know how that works, you can then manipulate the hair in a number of different ways. If you want to really tame the hair down more to make it lay a bit flatter going in this way, then you know how to use your hands or your fingers to really shape the hair. It's all about shaping, and you can do this, trust me, it just takes practice. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the product. Now, this mannequin, I applied this product to this mannequin probably, I would say, 2 weeks ago or so. And when I tell you, this hair has stayed the same, it's held its style, it hasn't gotten greasy, it hasn't gotten oily, it hasn't, I mean, literally, this is incredible what this product has done. And it's the new crafted matte pomade. I have never been so excited about a product before. You know, I get excited about all my products, but this, literally, because of the work, the testing, the craftsmanship that went into this, is really unbelievable. And let's start with the fragrance. So, oh my gosh, it's a very kind of sophisticated warm vanilla, like a really, really nice warm vanilla, a Tom Ford inspired type of fragrance, that really, you know, rich, sophisticated scent. It's awesome. And I wanted something very unique with this product. So, you know, on the market, there's a lot of matte pomades, clay pomades, this pomade, that pomade, whatever it is, there's a bunch. And I said I wanted something, because I've tested out a number of clay pomades or matte pomades, and it literally, it's like, imagine somebody who wears like, you know, a leather jacket, who smokes, who like is literally just like nothing but trouble, a troublemaker, and you know, he's out all the time, just that kind of dirt ball hair, you know what I mean? Some guy, and you know the person I'm talking about, because I've interacted with those people and I've dealt with those people, and they're just, I'm not fans of them, but their hair always looks pretty good. So I wanted this without the sleazeball or the slime ball type of feeling or look in the hair, if that makes sense. I know it sounds crazy, but like, if you know the type of individual, you know exactly what I'm talking about, okay? And this is not that. I wanted the complete opposite. And when I was making this with Cody from Flagship, I literally said that to him. I don't want a sleazeball dirtbag type of look in the hair. I want it to be sophisticated and have a much more nice appeal to it. And after a number of formulations and testing and back and forth, because I'm the stylist, I'm the hairstylist, I'm the one testing this and looking for specific things with my products, okay? We finally got this, and when I tell you, it's the most incredible taming product. It's amazing for slick backs. It's amazing for just having something that really controls your hair very well. It's a really true light to medium hold. I'm telling you, it does have a, you know, matte to natural finish, which I think is incredible. It scoops out very easily, and here it is right here. So what you want to do for this type of look, even if your hair starts down like this, right? Your hair's all the way down like that. you're gonna take a scoop, a light scoop like that with your finger, okay? And then you can literally just work it into the palm and fingertips like this, and you could see it's already worked into the hair. It's not greasy, it's not oily. I suggest working this product in while it's still on the creamier side. This way it can absorb into the hair really, really well and really, really easy. So now, as I'm working this through, I'm specifically leaving it a bit more creamy because I want it to tame a lot more right off the bat, okay? Now, if you were to take this product and obviously keep doing this, it's gonna soften that up a bit. But if you use this product where it's still a bit creamy and you've got super thick hair like this, and you want something that's really gonna be about control, taming down frizz, taming down flyaways. This is great for taming flyaways on your hair, right? Just take and lay over like this with the palm of your hand, and it's gonna get rid of all those flyaways. If you're looking for this type of look, right, then there you go. We now have it, and I'm telling you, it is, I'm so excited, and I know it's like, oh, he's selling his product again, but yes, I'm in business, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm extremely passionate. I've spent 25 years in this industry. Of course I'm gonna talk about my products. Of course I'm gonna promote my products, but I'm also using them as a professional, okay? I'm not just some Joe Schmo living in, someone's basement working a part-time job at and just making hair products out of my butt. Like, I'm extremely excited. A lot goes into this. So if I see something that works really well, that hasn't worked or I haven't used anything like it in 20-something years, I'm gonna be excited. So there's nothing wrong with being passionate. And I'm really trying to solve a problem. If you notice when I describe my products, I'm always talking about what it does to the hair. So this is solving a lot of issues and things for people. That's why I wanted to come out with something like this. In order to get that sophisticated look, if you've got thick hair, right? If you've got longer hair like this, even if the top comes down to here, that curtain, you want to just slick it back. You don't want to have a ton of shine. You want to have a lot of control. Maybe you have very dry hair. You want to tame some flyaways down, some frizz. This is an amazing product. And also, if you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off, and it's free shipping in the United States on orders with a value of over $50 after the discount code is applied. So please let me know if you're using this already, if you're excited to try this, if you have your hair like this and you're like, oh my gosh, this looks like an amazing product. Trust me, okay? I'm a professional. This works incredibly well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.